Your cat starts licking the same spot over and over again. At first it seems harmless, a little grooming after a nap, a quick clean after a meal, nothing unusual. But then you notice something strange. The licking lasts longer. The same patch of fur gets thinner. Your cat becomes obsessed with one area of their body. Every day. Sometimes several times a day. Many owners assume it's normal because cats naturally groom themselves. The problem is that excessive grooming is one of the most overlooked warning signs in feline health. And if your cat is doing this every day, stopping the underlying cause quickly could prevent a much bigger problem from developing. One reason near the end surprises even experienced cat owners. Cats are famous for cleanliness. In fact, healthy cats can spend up to half of their waking hours grooming. That's completely normal. What isn't normal is repetitive, excessive grooming that causes fur loss, skin irritation, or behavioral changes. According to feline behavior specialists and veterinarians, overgrooming is often a symptom rather than a habit. It can signal discomfort, disease, emotional stress, or hidden pain. Your cat is not trying to be difficult. They're trying to solve a problem the only way they know how. Today you'll discover 7 common reasons cats groom excessively every day, what signs to watch for, and what actions can help protect your cat. Pay close attention to number 7. It's one of the most commonly missed causes and often goes unnoticed for months. Number 1. Dry skin and mild skin irritation. One of the simplest causes of excessive grooming is irritated skin. Dry air, seasonal changes, harsh cleaning products, or minor environmental triggers can make your cat's skin feel uncomfortable. When skin becomes itchy, grooming provides temporary relief. Unfortunately, repeated licking can create even more irritation. Veterinary dermatologists frequently identify mild skin irritation as an early reason for overgrooming behavior. Watch for flaky skin, small bald patches, redness, or increased scratching. One clear action you can take is to evaluate recent changes in your home environment and discuss skin-friendly solutions with your veterinarian if symptoms continue. Number 2. Stress and anxiety. Cats often hide emotional stress remarkably well. A new pet, visitors, moving house, construction noise, or changes in routine can create anxiety. When stress builds, grooming can become a self-soothing behavior. Research in feline behavior has shown that repetitive grooming sometimes functions similarly to stress relief habits seen in other animals. Your cat may appear physically healthy while emotionally struggling. Watch for hiding, reduced play, changes in appetite, increased vocalization, or clingy behavior. One helpful action is to identify recent environmental changes and create predictable daily routines that help your cat feel secure. Number 3. Food allergies. Some cats react to ingredients in their diet. When this happens, itching often develops around the face, neck, ears, or body. Because cats cannot scratch every uncomfortable area effectively, they frequently turn to licking. Veterinary nutrition specialists regularly identify food allergies as a contributor to chronic grooming problems. The challenge is that symptoms may develop gradually rather than appearing suddenly. Watch for recurring ear irritation, skin redness, digestive upset, or persistent itching. One important action is to discuss an elimination diet with your veterinarian rather than changing foods randomly. Number 4. Flea allergy dermatitis. This condition surprises many owners. Some cats react intensely to even a single flea bite. The allergy causes severe itching that can trigger non-stop grooming, especially around the lower back and tail area. According to veterinary dermatology research, flea allergy dermatitis remains one of the most common causes of excessive grooming in cats. Even indoor cats can occasionally encounter fleas. And what comes next becomes even more serious because the remaining causes often involve problems hidden beneath the skin itself. Watch for sudden grooming focused near the tail, tiny scabs, or unexplained hair loss. One clear action is to maintain veterinarian-approved flea prevention consistently throughout the year. Number 5. Arthritis and joint pain. Many people associate arthritis with dogs. Cats develop it too. The difference is that cats often hide pain extremely well. When a joint becomes uncomfortable, your cat may repeatedly lick the painful area. The grooming isn't treating the problem, it's simply a response to discomfort. Studies published in veterinary medicine journals have shown that arthritis is surprisingly common in older cats. Watch for reduced jumping, stiffness after resting, hesitation on stairs, or decreased activity. One useful action is to schedule a veterinary examination if your cat's grooming suddenly focuses on specific joints or limbs. Number 6. Bladder problems and urinary disease pain inside the body can sometimes appear as grooming on the outside. Cats experiencing bladder inflammation or urinary discomfort often lick their lower abdomen or genital area excessively. Veterinarians frequently identify overgrooming as an early clue in urinary tract problems. Because these conditions can become serious quickly, they should never be ignored. Watch for frequent litter box visits, straining, vocalizing while urinating, accidents outside the litter box, or blood in the urine. One immediate action is to contact your veterinarian promptly if these symptoms appear alongside excessive grooming. Number 7. Hidden chronic pain. A woman in Manchester, England, notices her 12-year-old cat grooming one side of his body every evening. At first, she assumes it's normal. Weeks become months. The fur gradually thins. The cat still eats, still sleeps, and still greets her at the door. Nothing seems dramatically wrong. Eventually, she schedules a veterinary visit. The examination reveals chronic pain that had been quietly affecting her cat for a long time. The excessive grooming was never the real problem. It was the signal. Once treatment begins, the grooming decreases. The fur slowly returns. The cat becomes more active and playful than he had been in years. Stories like this happen every day. Cats are masters at hiding discomfort. Sometimes the only clue they give is a behavior that appears harmless until someone looks deeper. Excessive grooming can be caused by dry skin. It can be linked to stress and anxiety. Food allergies may trigger it. Flea allergies often cause it. Joint pain can drive it. Urinary disease may hide behind it. And chronic pain can turn grooming into an important warning signal. Remember, grooming itself is normal. The concern begins when grooming becomes repetitive, obsessive, or focused on one area every single day. Your cat is rarely being stubborn. They're usually responding to discomfort, irritation, stress, or pain. Tell me in the comments, has your cat ever overgroomed one specific spot, and what did you eventually discover was causing it? If you know someone who loves their cat like family, sharing this video could help them recognize a warning sign before it becomes a bigger problem. In the next video, you'll learn about the strange sleeping positions cats choose and the hidden messages those positions reveal about their health, trust, and emotional state. Sometimes the smallest habit is the loudest cry for help.